President Trump called in to give his condolences to Rush Limbaugh family. And when he was on the phone, they pressed him about running for president in 2024. Me personally, I think he should run and also have Candace Owens as his vice president. What you guys think? So I'm gonna read you a little bit of what he said when they asked him about running for president. Here we go. As Trump stated, it's too early to say. They asked him about running for president in 2024. Former President Donald Trump made the right-wing cable news rounds on Wednesday night with appearances on 3 networks, Newsmax, One American News, and also Fox News. He began on Newsmax, where host Greg Kelly repeatedly pressed Trump on whether he might run for president again in 2024. But this is what Trump said. As far as 24, too early to say, Trump responded. Pressed multiple times on whether he would mount another run for the White House, Trump demurred. So they pressed him on and on about running again. The former president, who has been largely out of public view since January 6th rally in Washington, also cited a gathering a few hundred supporters held for him on Monday as evidence of the strength of the whole mega movement. The interviews was about conservative talk host Rush Limbaugh, who died on Wednesday. Trump had called into Fox News to discuss the broadcaster's legacy on Wednesday afternoon. Limbaugh had been a vocal Trump supporter. You think Trump should run again in 2024 and maybe have Candace Owens as his vice president? Hey, leave some comments below, and thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.
And Candace Owens, I watched her and I saw her coming. I said, I'm pretty good at star power. I say, that's a star. Every once in a while I'll see somebody, it happens about once every 5 years. That's all it is, but I'll be watching. I saw Candace probably 3-4 years ago. How long would it be, Charlie? 4? Maybe 4. I saw this woman on television. I said, man, I don't want to mess with her. She's tough. She's tough. Now, I'm not allowed to say it. You know that. I'm not allowed to say it anymore, but she's also beautiful, so I'll say that too. Okay? It's true. Under the Me Too generation, we're not allowed to say it. So all of you young, brilliant guys, never, ever call a woman beautiful, please. You're not allowed to do it. And I've kept doing it, and I've never been told by that woman never to do it. Just say, thank you, sir. Candace, would you come up here and say a few words? You mind? Come.
I was thinking, every single president that comes into office after 2 years, they look so much older. He seems to be the only president that's getting younger. He has somehow found the fountain of youth. I think he gets up out of bed. It's the fight. He loves the fight. He really does. We are so blessed. And listen, let me say this. The media, the audacity of them to think that they are going to impeach our presidents. It's not happening. It's absolutely not happening, not under our watch. We need to make sure we fight for this man, the one man who is standing up for Black America. We are going to fight for, guys. We have to keep it going.
That's so nice. Outstanding person. She's another one. You're going to have to compete with her, too, for this position, I suspect. Thank you very much. Sort of interesting. It's like... do we have a choice? We have to fight, right? We have to fight. We have to fight for everything, whether we like it or not.